Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the rainbow bouquet locations as well as where Doris is. So the first bouquet is obviously it's going to always be in your house, like on the mailbox. That is where the first one is. Second one, you need to go to the Onsen mountain area, and from the bus stop, you'll see the rainbow bouquet here on this path. You're just going to claim it, and that is the second one. From this bridge, you are going to turn left. I don't remember where this is, if I'm being honest with you completely. Okay, but it's on this cliff. So it's near the stone cliff area, and it's going to be on there. Not here. There we go. Over there. And you do need a car to kind of go up the ledge. It was a little bit tricky at first, but somebody showed me how to get up. You need to go to the left, and then you'll need to jump a lot. Here is how you can do it. So I just kind of watched how they did it first, and then I tried doing it myself, and it does work. There you go, and you're just going to claim that. That is the third bouquet, and Doris will be in this area. So you're just going to go down that bridge again, and Doris will be located there. So yeah, that is where Doris is. Again, you can purchase some colorful sugars from her and some postcards. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.